Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're wondering what is so new about my room, the background has completely changed. I moved those table and the Alex drawer to another room. Actually, the Alex drawer is here in my room, but I moved the table to the other room and got some new set of drawers. And so since it's Christmas, I thought, okay, there should be some Christmas vibes in my videos. So all these decorations are done for that. I hope you can see it. Actually, not everything is done, okay? I'll just make sure that once everything is ready, I'll just show you a clip of what's there behind. So, yeah, as the title suggests, today we are going to be seeing my empties of November and all my favorite products that I tried from skincare, hair care, and maybe one makeup product in the month of November. So, if you're interested, then please keep on watching. Also, if you're new here, then hi, my name is Binisha. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click on the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. First, what I'm going to be showing you guys are product empties of November. So after that, I'll show you guys the favorites of my products. So stay tuned for that. Now, to begin with, I'm going to be showing you a product which is actually from the pharmacy. So this is the Ionel T Scalp Cleanser. So this is the brand. This is actually a blend of salicylic acid and coal tar, specially used for dandruff. So recently, after moving here, I've been facing so much of issue with dandruff, and this shampoo has been working really well. So this is available in pharmacies actually. It's not a drugstore or a high-end brand. It's a pharmacy brand. Now, before talking more about this product, I have planned an entire video for dandruff. So let me talk more about this one in that video, and let's discuss more of dandruff issues in that video. So this is one empty. I've already, I think, used 2 bottles of this. So yeah, I'm definitely going to repurchase this for my hair. Now the next product that I have is from CeraVe. So recently I've been using a lot of CeraVe products, and there are like a lot of products which is like fragrance free, alcohol free, and it doesn't also have a lot of other irritating ingredients in it. So it's suiting my skin really well, and I'm really enjoying the products. It's kind of similar to how we get Bioderma and Avene in India. It's kind of very similar to that, but the product and its quality are amazing. And I happen to try their moisturizing lotion, and it has also been working so well. And yes, I'm definitely going to repurchase this as well, and it has been my favorite product. And the next product is also from CeraVe, but this is their smoothing cream. Actually, my husband uses this more than me, and it has like 10% urea in it, which helps in exfoliating your skin. And it also has ceramides, urea, salicylic acid. So it's a good combination of all products. It is going to exfoliate as well as hydrate your skin. And most importantly, after shaving, this is a very good product to put it all over your legs and your hands, and that is actually preventing the formation of bumps and other rough surfaces on my skin. So I'm really enjoying using this. Another small product is from Ordinary. I got this as a sample, and I actually purchased the bigger tube from this one. It is called the Natural Moisturizing Factors plus Hyaluronic Acid. This is also a very good cream. It's very thick, and it's really good for the winters, and if you're someone who has very dry skin, this will definitely work. Next comes my Laneige Water Bank Hydrating Essence. You know how much I love this product, right? I've been using this for like 2 years almost, and it's been one of my super favorite product. So that is this one. This is a serum. And coming to hair, if you have seen my hair care video, then you would have definitely seen this product. It is a hair mask. It is from Wella. It's called the SP Lux Oil, and yes, it's an empty. This is actually the third bottle that I'm emptying after coming here. I've been using this before as well, but so love it. In case if you have really dry hair, then do give this a shot. If you have fine or little thin hair, then I would say don't go for this because this will weigh your hair down. But in case you have very dry hair, then do try this. Now next comes a body lotion that I've always been talking about. It's the Avene body lotion. I've gone through one huge bottle of this one and I've been constantly loving this because it's obviously no fragrance, and it's also super hydrating. Especially I have dry skin on my legs, and this is actually helping me so much to keep the dryness away. The main point of this lotion is that it stays for a very long time compared to most other lotions. I always feel body lotions tend to just go away after applying it for a couple of hours, but this one actually stays for a very long time. Okay, now let's talk about all the hair care products which I've been loving this month. So I will also show you a few products which I'm actually trying out, but I'm still not 100% ready with the reviews, but I'll just show you guys in this video. It's especially this Olaplex products. I know there is this whole hype of this Olaplex products in the internet, and I thought I should try it. So I went ahead and spent almost $50 for this one and $50 for this one. But I was quite surprised when I got the quantity of this. Like, look at this, the size of it is like so small. So I don't know, probably I would have expected a little more quantity, but when this is what came, I was like, what, only this much? And look at this one, this is like so small. So this is actually a heat protectant oil, and this is a bond smoother from Olaplex, which is like a leave-in conditioner. So I heard that when these two are used as a combination on your hair, it works really well, and it is definitely not a product which is weighing my hair down. I observed that. Unlike the Moroccan oil or the other products which I use in my hair, they actually weigh my hair down. But these two, it doesn't feel like, even I have any product on my hair. It's so light, so smooth, and my hair is also super airy. So if you're someone who's looking for a product like that, then you can definitely try it. Obviously, it is super pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but in case if you can, then go try it yourself. And the next hair care favorite in my list is this one. This is from Kerastase. This is also their heat protectant. This is also a cream. So you apply it on your wet hair before blow drying, and after applying it all over your hair, you go style it however way you want. You can straighten it, you can blow dry it, whatever you want to do, you can do it after applying this. This seems to work really nice, but again, it's definitely not for someone with thin or like not so thick hair. It is especially for people with very dry to thick hair. So for them it works really well. Otherwise, I have a feeling it might weigh your hair down. So in case if you have really dry hair but you don't have that much of volume, then I would say you use a very little amount of this product and then blow dry your hair, but that way it works really well. So this product is something you would have already seen in my videos. This is the Moroccan oil, and like always, I used to love this product so much, and it still works beautifully on my hair. So now I haven't styled or done anything to my hair. I just applied the Moroccan oil and air dried my hair, and this is how it looks like. Next, I have a shampoo from Kerastase. So this shampoo is specially for people who have so much of oil coming out from their scalp, and actually I got this for removing dandruff or controlling dandruff, but it didn't help anything with dandruff. But what it does is, sometimes with dandruff, what happens, your scalp starts to smell a little weird, right? So if you have some condition like that, then do try this shampoo. It kind of I can't say that it removes your dandruff, okay, but it kind of mutes that smell down and help your scalp be much more healthier compared to how it is normally. That's what I felt about this shampoo. It's not removing dandruff, but it doesn't make that odor come from your scalp. So that is the only thing I like about this shampoo. Otherwise, I'm not advising anybody to use this on your hair because it might dry your hair out. So I use this only in my scalp and not in my hair. So yes, that's it. That's all the hair care products that I have. Now let's come to skincare products. So let's start with serums, okay? So the first favorite serum that I've been talking so much about in my channel is this Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. It has always been my favorite. It is my favorite and I really love it. So in case if you're following me for a very long time, then you would know that I've been using this for years. This is almost my 5th or 6th bottle, I guess. I don't remember, but yeah, I really love this one. So next is a treatment product which is from The Ordinary. It is the Mandelic Acid plus hyaluronic acid. So in case if you're someone who have very sensitive skin, then I would say going for Mandelic Acid first for a exfoliating product is a great option, because compared to salicylic acid and other AHAs, Mandelic Acid I feel is much more gentler on my skin. Even comparing to lactic acid, I feel Mandelic Acid is so much smoother and less irritating to my skin. So I really love this one from Ordinary. I know in India Ordinary is not available, but trust me, you have tons of options. There are so many options and so many amazing brands make similar products. So Mandelic Acid is something which you have to try in case if you haven't. Now the next product is something which most of you must have already heard about. It's the Cosrx Advanced Snail Mucin Power Essence. If you have tried this product, then there is no way that you don't fall in love with this product. I feel it's such an amazing product and it hydrates your skin so much and gives you that amazing glow. So do try it if you haven't, and you will definitely fall in love with this product. Now let's move on to another Cosrx product which I really love. This is the Green Tea Aloe Soothing Gel Cream. So if you are someone who likes to shave your face, then there might be times where you feel it's very irritating on your skin, right? Your skin might get sensitive. I've always observed that using this soothing cream actually is healing my skin so much and trying to calm my skin down, and when I wake up the next day my skin is like all healed and glowing, and I really love this product to use after shaving. So do try it in case if you haven't that. Other than that, I feel this moisturizer is too light for my skin. Like I would need something which is a little more oilier or creamier compared to this, whereas this is actually in a gel form. So it's like a very mild color. It doesn't have any fragrance, colors or anything. Now the next product that I have is the Belif Aqua Balm. So if you actually know the difference between hydration and moisturizing, moisturizing is actually something you put on your skin to seal all the hydration that is in your skin. Whereas this Belif, I totally, believe that this is hydrating my skin, and this, I don't feel it moisturizes my skin, okay? It hydrates my skin, and I definitely need something on top to, seal that. But this product works so well to hydrate your skin and give you that subtle glow. Your skin texture itself completely changes, I feel, especially if you're living in a place where the weather is like super dry. It's also super light, and if you're an oily to combination skin, this is like the perfect thing you can ever find. I know it is a little bit expensive, but if you can, then do try it. It's an amazing product. So good, okay? I can't even explain how much I love this product right now. I've just recently started to try this product. I don't know why I haven't tried this product for so long, and now I've been loving this so much. Next, let's take a look on sunscreen. So this is the La Roche-Posay SPF 50 sunscreen. This is the invisible fluid version of it. There is also a tinted version of the same. So this is a super light sunscreen. Let me show how the texture is. Can you see how light it looks? This does not leave a tint on your skin at all. It completely disappears. There is no white streaks or anything. So this is actually a chemical sunscreen. This is not a mineral sunscreen. It's a chemical sunscreen, and it completely disappears into your skin. It's not gonna leave that greasy, oily feeling on your face. It's a very good product. Also, you have a body version of the same product. This is a bigger bottle, and it comes with a spray pump where you spray it on your body and just rub it all over. This is also SPF 50 and it protects your face and body from UVA and UVB rays. Okay, remember that one makeup product I have? So it is from Innisfree and it is the No Sebum Blur Primer. So this is a dupe for Benefit POREfessional. So in case if you haven't tried it, then do try it. You'll definitely love this product. And yes, that's the end of my video. I have actually covered up all the products that I've loved in the past months. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and in case if you did, then don't forget to like the video and share your comments in the description below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.